In this video, I want to show you how to convert KML or KMZ file to Shapefile in Global Mapper. For example, I have this KML file, and if I open to visualize it in Google Earth Pro, this is it. This is the layer in Google Earth Pro. And in a situation where you want to convert it to Shapefile in Global Mapper, let me show you how to do it. So open your Global Mapper and click on Add Data File. Then navigate to the folder where you have that KML file. Here is my own. Select it and click on Open. So here is the KMZ file. Now that you have opened it as KMZ file, to convert it to Shapefile, come to that very layer, right click and come to Layer. Then click on Export Layer to New File. When you do that, at this page, it automatically selects Shapefile. However, if this place is not showing Shapefile, click on the drop down and select the format as Shapefile. So once you select it, click on OK. It will bring this tip. Click on OK. Then it will bring the Shapefile export options. So under this file selection, you are to select the export area. So since our file is in polygon form, that's why it's not showing line, it's not showing points. In a situation where you have a file that is consisting of polygon, line and points, these other ones will be active. And since my file is only polygonal, so I will check this. This is the only one that is active. I'll check export area. So it will bring me this interface to specify where I want the output to be. So let me just give it a name as Upper Benue Basin. Make sure you select Shapefile, then click on Save. So after you have done that, come to Attribute Setup. Under Attribute Setup, if there is any field you wish to remove from this very layer, you can select the field here and click on Remove Attributes. And it will ask you, are you sure that you want to exclude the selected attribute from this export? Click yes if you want to. So I've removed it. Then I will click on OK. Once I do that, it has exported it as Shapefile to that very folder. Now I can open any other GIS software. For example, I can open ArcGIS and click on Add Data. Navigate to that folder. Here is the Shapefile I exported. Then I can select it and click on Add. Click on Transformation and click on OK. Then click Close. So you can see it has been added to ArcGIS interface. So in short, this is how to convert your KML file into Shapefile in Global Mapper and open it in any other GIS software. Thank you for watching.